If you want to learn how to manage your location services on your Samsung phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of turning your location services on and off. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone settings. Then, scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Location. Next, ensure the location toggle is switched on. From here, you can easily toggle location services on and off as needed. If you tap on Location Services, you will see a list of options available. Here, you will find 5 different location service options such as Earthquake Alerts, Emergency Location Service, Location Accuracy, and Location Sharing. You have the flexibility to enable or disable any specific service according to your preference. And that's all it takes. You have now mastered the art of toggling location services on your Samsung phone. If you like this guide, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.